Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to show you step by step how to withdraw money from Bybit and transfer it to your bank account. Bybit, Bybit doesn't support direct fiat withdrawals, so we will be using a secondary exchange Kraken to convert our crypto to cash. Let's dive in. The first step is to pick a crypto exchange that allows fiat withdrawals. We recommend Kraken because it's reliable, secure, and supports multiple fiat currencies. If you don't have an account yet, no worries. We'll walk you through it. Go to Kraken's website and click Create Account. Enter your details, set up a strong password, and follow the verification process. You will need to complete at least intermediate verification to withdraw funds. Now that your Kraken account is ready, let's transfer crypto from Bybit. With your Kraken account verified, you are ready to transfer cryptocurrency from your Bybit account to Kraken. In your Kraken dashboard, go to Funding, located in the menu at the top of the screen, and then select Deposit. A pop-up will window a pop-up window will appear where you can search for the specific cryptocurrency you wish to deposit from your Bybit account. For the purposes of this guide, we will use USDT as an example for the transfer. Click on the cryptocurrency that you wish to transfer from Bybit into Kraken and you will be taken to the deposit screen as shown below. For USDT, choose TRC20 as the withdrawal fees are much lower. Click on Generate Deposit Address below that to create an address for your first withdrawal. You will see a sequence of characters, which is your Kraken deposit address. Copy the deposit address by clicking the large blue Copy Deposit Address button at the bottom. Now, log into your Bybit account and click on Assets located in the top right corner. Next, select Spot from the left side menu. The Spot account is where you will initiate the withdrawal of your cryptocurrency to Kraken. If your crypto is currently in a different account, like the derivatives account, you will first need to transfer it to your spot account. Use the transfer button for this purpose. In the example of my spot account shown below, you can see that I have 2500 USDT available for transfer. Proceed by clicking on the withdraw button next to the cryptocurrency you intend to transfer to Kraken. A pop-up window similar to the one shown in the screenshot below will appear. When withdrawing USDT, choose TRC20 as the chain type. This option typically has lower fees, and it matches the address type we previously copied from Kraken. Enter the amount you wish to withdraw to Kraken. For instance, in this example, we'll use 1000 USDT. Then paste the Kraken wallet address you copied earlier into the field labeled wallet address. After ensuring all details are correct, click the orange Submit button to complete and finalize the transaction. The transfer of your cryptocurrency to your Kraken account could take up to 30 minutes, though it often happens more quickly. To check if your funds have arrived, click on Funding in the top menu of Kraken. Then scroll down to your list of crypto assets. Keep an eye on the balance to confirm whether your cryptocurrency has been successfully deposited. Once your crypto has arrived, click on the Buy Crypto button in the menu at the top. I know that you'd want to sell crypto and not buy, but we can access the sell button easily from this screen. As shown in the screenshot below, you can see the sell button under the account balance and the buy button. Click on click on that sell button and you will be taken to another page like the screenshot below. Type in how much of your crypto you wish to sell or select the max button, which will sell the total amount. In our example, we are selling 500 USDT. When you have entered the desired amount, click Review. You will see a confirmation screen similar to the one below with a summary of the details of your transaction, including the total amount of fiat currency you will receive. When you have checked the details and are happy with that, click the purple Confirm button. You will be taken to another page confirming that you have successfully sold your crypto for fiat currency. You are nearly done. After successfully transferring your crypto to Kraken and selling it, the final step is to withdraw the funds to your bank account. In your Kraken account, select Funding from the top menu. Then locate your fiat currency balance and click on the withdraw icon, which is indicated by the red arrow in the screenshot provided below. This action will initiate the process of transferring your funding to your bank account. On the following page, resembling the screenshot shown below, you will be prompted to select your preferred withdraw method from a drop-down box. After making your choice, click Continue to proceed with entering your bank account details. Once these details are added, you will be able to process the withdrawal and transfer the money directly to your bank account. Congratulations! You have successfully navigated the process of withdrawing money from Bybit to your bank account using Kraken as an intermediary. If you have any questions, Kraken offers 24 or 7 live chat support. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more crypto guides. Thanks for watching.